So I guess that's what you call the storm before the, I don't know what the term is, actually don't even know what the term is, but anyway, that's currently what the studio looks like. It's not what we expected. I personally didn't expect it. We've spent 3 days and 16 hours a day basically on an M car, BMW, and we've had a Supra in as well, and I believed we would have got away with the mezzanine getting fitted safely with the cars where they were, and the truth is we're not. So the Supra is now put into someone else's unit, which is really grateful of us. We're going to delay it a few days, but we have got it in for a few weeks, just because of the work that's actually on it. And the BMW, thankfully, Andrew from Diversion has let me take his unit for the next 2 days so I can safely finish the coating, make sure it's hardened, make sure it's out the way and dry, and there's no problems in there whatsoever. And if it wasn't for Andrew literally letting me have his unit, truthfully, we'd have been a bit screwed. There's no way of saying it. So, calm before the storm. That's what I was trying to say. Clearly not old enough to know that phrase. But anyway, so at present, that's basically where we are. We're up to work this week. But as you can see, the mezz is in. The new lighting rigs are going to be going in a few days. Next week, we're going to be having all the partition walls put in and the collection bay. It is going to be insane. I'm not going to lie. It's been stressful the last 2 days doing this. It's going to be stressful tomorrow. And I have kind of just got fed up of it. It's noisy, it's horrendous, I'm not in my comfort zone. It is what it is, and I know it needs to be done, and I know we also can't stop work. It'd have been great if we could have took a week off actual doing anything to get this done, but the truth is we couldn't. We're so busy with the jobs that I'm working on for the detailing and the ceramic coatings that I've got a backlog already coming up. We've obviously got the big open day on the 12th of November. The truth is we've no way of me just stopping the work. So again, I'm really thankful to the guys at Diversion who basically let me have access to their unit. So again, thanks for that, Andrew, appreciate it. Vlog out, guys. It's going to be a really short one this week for the weekly update because we've got too much going on, but keep an eye on the general updates. Make sure you're following us if you are interested. I'm going to go back over it actually, but the RS replica that we've built, we've actually put it on eBay now because we had that much interest on Facebook Marketplace, we thought we'd actually put it on eBay. So just make a note, guys, that is still obviously available for swaps. We're not really looking to sell it, we are looking to get rid of it and get something else in. If you haven't seen it, go on eBay, just type in RS4 replica or Inspired Automotive, it's under there, it's on Facebook. We've had mega amount of cars actually interested in it. Everything from S-Type Jag 4 litre 4.2 V8 I think it was, to bloody Maserati with a Ferrari engine, which I was tempted just for the engine. The car were horrible, but the engine were insane. What else have I ever had? You know, I've had sort of, do you know what? Oh, Bentley Continental GT. Now that was something I was really actually contemplating. We could put a super sport body kit on it, some big 22-inch rims. I was kind of talked out of it a little bit, but it's still on the back burner. Couple of K1s, couple of GTIs, a Pirelli edition GTI. Do you know what? The list is endless. I can't honestly remember. I think we've had 59 cars offered, and we've got 3 viewing tomorrow. But again, if you haven't been following us, you haven't seen it, the RS4 replica that we've built still needs a bit of work. Had a hell of a lot of work, hell of a lot of stuff done to it from its original build. It was a shed. We even highlighted it as shed, RS shed, because it was tatty and it was horrible and it was crap. And do you know what? Now it's actually a nice car. I'm driving it daily. It drives really well. I'm really into it. Definitely, guys, give us a shout. Have a look on there. If you're interested in a swap, let us know what you've got. And again, that's it. Blog out. Speak to you soon.